All right, so I'm going to talk to you about rounding decimals. Many of you already know about how to round decimals. It's just rounding. So, which we talked about in an earlier part of the class. But when it comes to rounding, um, what you need to remember is that you must have the top half in order to round up. If you have the lower half, you keep it the same. You don't round up at all. What do I mean by halves? Well, how many digits do we have? Oh, we have 10 digits. That's right, we have 10 digits. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, yeah, 0. I forgot about 0. That's right. So when we are rounding, we have 10 digits. We have 0 through 9. If you take the first 5 of that, that's 0 through 4. If you take the top 5 of that, then that's 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So if you have the top 5, you round up. If you have the lower 5, you round down. Makes sense, right? If you split it in half, that stuff's small, this stuff's big. So that's actually why we use those two numbers. So that might actually help clarify why we round up or down the way we do for many of you. Now, when it comes to rounding, most common thing that I see that happens with people. Actually, I'm going to change this number here. I'm going to change this to 9.49. And we're going to round a couple of different ways here. We're going to round to the tenths. So if I round to the nearest tenth, so where's tenths? It's right here. That's tenths place. So I go to the right and I see what I have. I have a 9. 9's in the top half of the digits, right? So we would round up. So our answer for rounding to the nearest tenth would be 9.5 because we make the 4 go up to 5. Okay, cool. What about to the hundredths place? Well, there's hundredths place. And if we go to the right of it, we see nothing. Nothing. I don't have a number, so what do? I do have a number there. Remember I said it's nothing. What number represents nothing? 0. So, 0, is that that's in the lower half, right? So, or I guess I should say that's in the lower half, correct? Right. So it is going to have to be 9.49 because it's going to stay the same. Okay, what about to the ones place? Or if I say to the nearest whole number, which is the same thing as the ones place. I go over here, to the ones, go to the right, I see a 4. And 4 is in the lower half. So it would stay the same. We would just get 9. But wait, what about the other 9? No. When we round, we only look to the right. Look at the next place value. We don't go to the other side of it. Does it matter that this is really, really close to being zero point 0.5? That doesn't matter. We don't round up until we get to what we want. We round exactly how it asks. It asks for to the ones or the nearest whole number. Well, if you look at this as to the nearest whole number, and that's why I picked this example, if you had $9.49, would you be closer to 10 or would you be closer to 9? You would be closer to 9. You'd be 51 cents away from 10. You'd be 49 cents away from 9. So if you round this to the nearest whole number, in this instance, we look at this 4. We don't look at the 9. We look at anything else that's back here. It doesn't matter how many 9s are back here. It's still closer to being 9 than it is to being 10. And so that's all actually I'll have to say with rounding decimals. Just make sure you know your place values and you round to the exact place value to ask for. You go just to the right of it, don't look at any other digits, just to the right of it, and round exactly how it asks. If you have the lower half of the digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, you keep the number the same. If you have the upper half of the digits, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you round up. And that's how you round with decimals or period. See you soon.